Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Android News Byte. Today, we have a report from over the weekend about Magic Editor being made available to all Google Pixel and Samsung Galaxy devices. This is a feature that was originally launched with the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro, but the company did say they had plans to bring it to everyone who uses the Google Photos application. For those who may not be familiar, Magic Editor is a set of AI-powered editing tools for both photos and videos within the Google Photos app. With Magic Editor, you're able to move, resize, or completely erase parts of an image. And you're also able to apply contextual backgrounds to said image as well, adding in a preset like the sky, a golden hour effect, or a complete stylized filter. This is much more advanced than Magic Eraser, which you likely have already heard about, but it also requires an internet connection as well. So while it does have this limitation, you also get multiple variations to choose from, just like you've seen with other AI image editor apps out there. This feature had started rolling out to older Google Pixel owners a week or two ago, but now we're seeing it made available for select Samsung Galaxy devices as well. The Magic Editor is being made available to everyone for free, but with a freemium approach. So everyone will get 10 free Magic edits per month, and those who want access to more, you will need to subscribe to the $10 per month Google One plan that comes with 2 terabytes of extra storage. Now you can find this feature by first opening up the Google Photos application, selecting an image from the gallery, and then tapping on the Edit button. Then you're going to want to look for this glowing Edit button, as that is the Magic Editor icon, and that will begin the process. Images are required to be backed up to your Google Photos account before you can use the Magic Editor feature, but once the edit has been made and the copy has been saved, you can then delete that backup from your account. This launch has also made some of the older Google Photo AI editing features free for everyone without any monthly limits. So everyone who uses Google Photos can now use Magic Eraser, Unblur, Portrait Blur, and Portrait Light for free. Everyone now has access to the Sky Suggestion feature. We can all adjust the color pop and HDR effects for free as well. Video effects, styles within the collage editor, and the cinematic photos feature within Google Photos has all been made available to everyone for free as well. So if you've been annoyed by some editing features of Google Photos being locked behind a paywall in the past, then go check out the latest update and check to see if they are free to use now.